Bledsoe County, Hamilton County, Marion County, Meigs County, Ray County, Rowan County, Sequatchie County, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and 3:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Spencer to 24 miles southwest of Suwanee, and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Pikeville, Dunlap, Jasper, Dayton, Decatur, Chattanooga, Monteagle, Whitwell, South Pittsburgh, Spring City, Signal Mountain, Saudi Daisy, Lookout Mountain, Mount Crest, Cagle, Old Cumberland, Melville, Griffith Creek, Paleo, and Orem. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within the storm. While not immediately likely,